Alright guys, before we get into this video, real quick, leave a like down there. It really helps our videos get seen, helps the YouTube do the algorithm stuff that it does.
If you like one-rotor stuff and you want to see us be able to continue doing this, we appreciate it. Thanks. What's going on, Team Boosted? Welcome to another one-rotor video. Today we're going to assemble the engine. We're going to show you, hopefully, allegedly, just how fast we can assemble it, as it is one of the smallest engines that you can have.
Yeah, it's pretty much as simple as it gets.
First things first, we needed some new seals and shit, which in hindsight should have been ordered a long time ago. But we did order them, they didn't come right away. So to save some time, James believes he might have some seals at his house. So we're gonna check.
Oh, I know I have some seals. It's just my complete and utter lack of organization is possibly.
Well, and you're moving, so like you can't be faulted for that.
My box garage is full of garage boxes.
There's not as many boxes in here as I thought there'd be.
Looking over there.
Okay, let's check out.
It's real bad. It was boxes I was saving for my move. Now it's just boxes that I have to throw away.
So the seals weren't in the box room, so we have more rotary crap over here.
We might be doing a repeat of last time.
Ooh, is that in good condition?
That one is. That's an outer. I don't have an inner. Do I have? And I have none over here. I have one seal.
Okay, so we're probably gonna have to wait.
Okay, the other ones are showing up tomorrow anyway, but we can go ahead and get started on all the dumb stuff because I have another supercharger right
here. Oh my god.
And here's that throttle body that would go with it. This is for like a Honda. And this one I think is actually slightly larger than the one on the compressor.
Did you buy this specifically to supercharge a rotary?
No, I bought this specifically to supercharge my old Civic Type R engined EG hatch that I had for track day stuff.
So this one will be a better supercharger candidate?
Yeah, I think it's a little bit bigger, and usually on Hondas they make like almost 300. Like this setup made 300 wheel on the car that I got it off of. So it should, in theory, make at least that much.
Why don't we build like 4 more rotaries? There's this.
Well, yeah, dude. Look at this shit. I got like a full fucking balanced and slightly lightened rotating assembly for an NA right here. Eccentric shaft. These are balanced and blueprinted. I've got like a fucking Weber intake.
And then we have like 3 13Bs at the shop.
Yeah, we got like 3 13Bs at the shop. I got like, I even have, if everything else fails, I have a distributor for a rotary right there. So I literally have like enough to put together a running rotary.
So when are we doing a rotary powered 911?
I mean, we can do that whenever.
So we're looking at a bunch of cars that we have that need engines.
Yeah, I have like a hoarder, so I've got a bunch of Porsche shells and that Beetle and stuff.
But there's an engine that James wants to show me.
Well, it's the engine I bought for that C10 that we pulled the 350 for the Jeep out of. Because that's mine as well, because I have a problem. Oh god, there's so much shit. What the fuck? Well, we got this guy right here, which
oh, I haven't seen this yet.
Took a nice little impact in shipping, but the guy's already sent me a new valve cover for it.
Oh, so cool, as long as nothing underneath is...
But yeah, this thing's a 406 stroker with 2 10cc straight plug heads. Should make somewhere in the neighborhood of like 480 to 500 at the crank, because it's got a huge cam in it. This intake manifold's not going to do it, but the rest of the engine underneath it will do it.
What about this?
That's the intake manifold I want to run on it. Yes. I'll take my helmet off so we can get a better view. Yeah, boy!
Okay, so we put this
in the other 911 shell.
Yeah.
And we go really fast and make everybody with a Porsche angry at us.
You know, we can make like a 8-to-1 exhaust equal length.
Oh, so that'd be so sick. Sound like a Formula 1 car.
Yeah, that'd be so cool.
I'm motivated.
Okay, not like it matters to you guys, but we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow. I mean, it's still the same video for, you know, y'all watching. So instead of doing the speed build today, we're gonna paint the engine a funny color. So although this looks beautiful in just aluminum silver, we're going German flag colors.
Yeah,
so.
Fucking freedom? I don't know.
No, I mean Germany.
I don't know much about Germany.
Everyone knows a little bit about Germany.
There's one thing everybody knows about Germany.
Alright, anyways. So this boy gotta be red, because red's in the middle, so let's go paint that shit. were going for like a German flag, but what we got was like industrial generator.
Or McDonald's play equipment.
Yeah, or just like a cheeseburger, mustard and...
It's got a bit of Americana going on it, that's for sure.
Well, I mean, that last piece is going to be black and is not really going to add anything to this because it's also the smallest part.
And also at the back of the engine where you can't really see
We chose yellow and red to be the colors that...
Probably should have done black at the front.
No, that's boring. I mean, we gotta make it ugly.
That's true, it's kind of our deal. Like the Datsun's engine bay still causes seizures. So.
But, I mean... When we go to the track or a show, it draws the biggest crowd.
Well, yeah, because it's ridiculous. It looks fucking sick.
Yeah, I mean, that's what this is going to turn into.
Yeah, I'm fine with it.
So, do you want to start the timer after the rotor is assembled?
Yeah, let's do assembly timed, but like this stuff all takes forever. This is going to make it look artificially difficult. We're just double checking stuff.
We're not going to start the stopwatch now.
No, we will start it once we have everything ready.
He's going to assemble a rotor. Refer to our previous videos if you are curious how that goes together. But there's only one, so it takes half the time.
Yeah, it's fucking mad
There's
easy.
a 2-rotor, and it takes a quarter of the time. There's a 4-rotor. That makes it a superior engine than a 4.
Yeah, Rob Dom, you fucking guy that has a really cool engine I want.
Alright, we're about to start. Don't press that yet, but we're going to time this because simplistically, most simple engine. No, probably not, but shut up, Sam. Alright? Don't need your negativity.
But it is a stack that we built 17 times, so.
The shaft goes in. Boom. Look at the speed and efficiency. Oh, we're like one of those tire changing teams.
No, dude, we're straight up an NHRA fucking pit crew right now. Rebuilding an engine in between runs.
And if it doesn't work this time, this is why, because we rushed it.
Yep.
Yeah, but this is fun.
Rushed it all the other times first.
Alright, what's next? We gotta have that next
we need
step
that
lined up.
housing. I need to get Vaseline and the orange.
Vaseline, sponge on a stick step.
I got the power.
The power seals.
Yeah,
We changed this to black because it doesn't look half as trash as it did before.
Yep. Real trash.
It still is ugly, and we've ruined it, but that's what we do here.
Yeah, that's literally our MO. So if you're watching
It
this, you
wasn't
already
painted
know.
at all last time.
That's why it broke down.
Yes, actually.
Because we needed to put that TLC
If it had
into
ugly
it.
ass engine paint on it, and it looked more like a generator.
I don't think it looks like a generator anymore. I think with that all being yellow in the front, it did look a bit like it belonged on a tractor.
Someone grab me a file and a paint pen.
Mark and TDC.
Yeah.
Now, would you guys constitute this as complete?
More or less.
That's the long block.
Yeah.
Boom! Stop that timer.
30 minutes.
Exactly half an hour. We're not the Jarvis brothers, but
Jarvis. The Jarvis brothers.
Jarvis.
Vargas.
Jack and Mongarvis.
Vargas. That's right. Anyways, so up next is the swoosh noises after
Yep.
you.
The sushi tests.
The official, unofficial compression test. Squishy noises. We're supposed to be getting any squishy noises out of this side.
Should be, but also we don't have plugs in it.
What the fuck is this?
That's all
So
Vaseline.
much Vaseline.
There will be more.
Oh my god.
Get them spark plugs in there, boy. Hey.
There we go. That's the right noise.
Oh god.
Seems like it's making compression.
2, 3. Yep, good.
Well, if it falls from that height, it's definitely broken forever.
This is for the thumbnail. Just got it over his shoulder. All right, engine's back together. Took about half an hour. I mean, there was a lot of details in there, like putting together the rotor itself that we didn't include. But as far as the actual assembly goes, about half an hour. But the next video, we're going to be remaking pretty much the entire intake and induction. The intercooler is going to change, all that stuff. We'll get to that in the next video. But Devin's going to pick a winner for this video's giveaway. We give away stuff from Boosted Shades every single video. Even if you don't win, that's partially responsible for our funding. So check out boostedshades.com.
All right, this video's winner is Ryan Johnson.
Ryan, hit us up at Teamboosted at boostedshades.com or through any of our social media pages. We'll get back to you and ship you something. If you're new and you want to win, even if you're not new and you haven't won, all you gotta do is like, subscribe, and leave a comment. The comment could be anything, but we ask you guys stuff just in case you can't think of something on your own.
Do you think this one's gonna last?
As James was just saying, we've blown this one up
3 times, I think, so far. So we want to know how long you guys think this iteration is going to last.
Leave that in the comments or anything you want. You're eligible to win stuff. As always, guys, thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.